things I want to do just to make the bus look a little bit nicer is we've got all of our main wires, house wires, 12 volt, all coming down this wall here. So I'm just going to put a little cover panel over it from pretty much right up here down to there. And I think I'm going to build a little shelf too, just to kind of hold this guy up and the battery tender up here. So we're gonna work on that next. Enjoy following along. Hopefully you can see everything I'm doing if I don't put my hand in front of the lens. Okie dokie, so we've got our shelf in here. This will just keep this from dangling, and then we also have these wires all covered here. We'll get a little bit of white touch-up paint when we go back around and do the last round of the touch-up. But that went really smooth. I got to take a hit at the checklist again, see what we got. We got the big stuff done. I know I have to get a ladder or build a ladder. Probably going to be building a ladder just because the opening's a little weird to get to. And we got a couple other things to do. Like I said, look at the checklist. One of the speakers, this guy is blown, so I need to get a replacement for that. And yeah, so a couple trips to the store in the near future, but it's going really smooth, and we got a little bit more to do. Then once all that's wrapped up, I'll come back around, clean everything up one more time, polyurethane countertops again, put the stove in, put the sink and faucet in, and we'll be on our way.